this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. It's Thursday, 8th of March today, and I realise I have not yet done a video for Fabric Friday. So this is just quick and basically, but it's been extremely helpful for me. The other week I made a warming pad to go over my knees to help when it's aching at night, and it has been really helpful because of the way that I actually sewed it up. It hangs nice. Now, I've been having an awful lot of problems with painful ones with my left shoulder. Now, the warmer that I'd made was brilliant because of the way it was. It hung over my shoulder and warmed all the bits up, and that do get painful. But when that's going, I've got used to it being on my knees, so I thought I'm going to make another one. Then I'll have that one because of how I designed it. It drapes on my knees, very good. I'll have that one for my knees and this one for my shoulder. So all I did is I got a bit of flannel material. Doesn't matter the colour of it, doesn't matter if it's flannel or not flannel, it's just a bit of material. I sewed across the top and down the side. That's all I did. And then turn it the right side so it's now out. I bought some El Cheapo rice and long grain rice because I can microwave this so it'll heat up. And I started filling it. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I'll zoom you in so you can see it better. Yeah, I've got problems with my back as well today. So that's... Let's turn this light round, you might see a bit better. Because it is going dull now. Oh, but this is how it's turned out. Let's get me scissory things. I mean, this rice, I think it was about 25p, something like that. So all I did is basically put a third of it in, and how much is in this bag? The kilo in here. So I basically put a third of it in. And get rice everywhere. Put a third of it in, and then just sew down it, put another third in, sew down it again, and put the remaining third in and turn over the top, and then it just drapes over In my case, it's over my shoulder or over my knees. So that's all I'm going to do. As I've filled it with a third full, going to stitch it, another third, stitch, another third, and then close the ends in, and I'll just show you when it's done. Right. It's not been a good job, doesn't matter. It's just basically so I can put it into the microwave, heat it up for about 2 minutes, something like that, and then I can drape it over my knees, over my shoulder. If it was your wrist that was hurting, you can just drape it over. I put the other one that I've got over my knees, and it's brilliant. It is absolutely fantastic. But this is just showing you that you can do it. I haven't bothered changing me threads, nothing like that, because if this starts wearing out, which undoubtedly will do because I use it a lot, then just make another one. It's not as though it's a present for anybody, it's just something to help me, and hopefully it would help you if you were making one of these. But that's just and besides, there's still some rice left. I didn't use all of it. But next week I'll be more prepared and getting things done, and for a Fabric Friday. I'm going to put a photograph at the end of this video, because I finished Toad's quilt nowhere near in time for his birthday, just over a week late. But he's had that for his birthday present. When I'm up here doing different things and it happens to be Lurch's rest day, I can't video anything because he uses half of the room and he's in and out and making noises and things like that, so I can't do a video. But just to show you that I have been doing things, I have started a bag for my mother. She's asked for one for her birthday, but I just realised it's Mother's Day on Sunday, so I'm going to finish this off now. This is made more or less exactly the same as the quilted bag I showed you, apart from I've used foam in this because it stands up really well, and I'm going to do the straps slightly different, so I might video that and show you. Oh well, we'll see. But thank you very much. Bye.
You took a picture of what? Are you bloody recording this or something?
Hang it back up now.
Hang on, I'm going to fold it in half so I can get a better. It's bigger than me.
It's 6.5 foot by 7.5 foot.